Good morning students. Today we are going to start with the 14th lesson, algebraic formula expansion of squares. In this, the product of algebraic expression is called the expansion or the expanded form. We can write the algebraic expression in the expansion form or expanded form. There are some formulas which helps in writing the certain expansion directly without multiplying. There's one thing, this we'll try with this one, x plus y square, which can be written as x plus y, x plus y, and when it is substituted and expanded, you will get the answer is x square plus 2xy plus y square. In the same way, x minus y square is written as x square minus 2xy plus y square. Now I'll show how this formula comes up. Now we are going to expand this. So it is in bracket x plus y square. So it will be 2 times x plus y and x plus y. Now we are going to expand it more. So we'll take the first x from this bracket and the whole bracket, the second bracket, the whole x plus y. Then what's left? Plus y. Again we'll take the same bracket x plus y. Here we are multiplying this x with x plus y and this y with x plus y. So here now x into x, x square, plus x into y, xy, plus y into x, again the same xy, plus into plus, plus y into y, y square. So x square, now this xy plus xy, both are same, so it is plus 2xy plus y square. So you understood how you got the x square plus 2xy plus y square. Now the same way we will find it in x minus y square. Now we will find the same way in x minus y square. So we will write it 2 times because it is x minus y square 2 times. Now we'll take the x over here, the whole x minus y, then minus y and x minus y. So x into x, that is x square minus x into y minus xy, again minus into y minus xy, minus into minus, plus y into y, y square. So it is x square, this both are same and the sign is also same. So it is x square minus 2xy plus y square. I hope you understand about this formula. Now we are going to start with practice set 50. To make this exercise more easy, just go through this formula the same way like x plus y square. The same thing has been done in the a plus b square. So how it is written? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now the first sum is 5a plus 6b the whole square. Here in place of a we are going to consider as 5a. In place of b we are going to consider as 6b. So what's the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. In this we are going to substitute with 5a and 6b. So a square, what it is? A square, that is 5a. So 5a the whole square, 2 plus 2 into 5a into 6b plus the b square, which we are considered as 6b square. So 5a square, 5a square can be written as 5a into 5a, that comes up to 5 into 5, 25, a into a square. So we got that 25a square. What's the next one? That is 2, 5a and 6b. So 5a into 6b, 5 into 6, that comes up to 30. A into b, that's ab, that comes in bracket, and 2. So again 2 into 30, that is 60, and ab, 60 ab, which we get here. Now next one is 6b square. So 6b into 6b, 6 6 are 36, b into b, b square. So 36b square. So your answer will be 25a square plus 60ab plus 36b square. In the same way, we will do the second sum, that is a upon 2 plus b upon 3 the whole square. Here a we are considering as a upon 2 and b we are considering as b upon 3. Now we are going to write the same in the a square plus 2ab plus b square. In a we are taken as a upon 2 the whole square. So a upon 2 the whole square plus 2. Then a is a upon 2 into b upon 3 plus b upon 3 the whole square. So here a upon 2 the whole square, that comes up to a upon 2 into a upon 2, that is a into a square, 2 into 2, 4, a square upon 4. What's the next one? That is 2 into a upon 2 and b upon 3. So here we can do one thing. 2 is cut. Now what's left? A into b upon 3. So ab upon 3. ab upon 3. Next, plus b upon 3 the whole square. b upon 3 the whole square, that comes up to b upon 3 into b upon 3. b into b, that is b square. 3 into 3, that is 9. b square upon 9. So your answer is a square upon 4 plus ab upon 3 plus b square upon 9. Now we will solve the third sum, that is 2p minus 3q the whole square. So we will do it in the a minus b square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a we are considered as 2p and b as 3q. So it will be 2p square minus 2 into 2p into 3q plus 3q square. 2p square, that comes up to 4p square minus 2 into 3, that is 6pq. 6pq into 2, that is minus 12pq plus 3 into 3, 9q square. The same way the fourth one, x square minus 2 upon x square. We write it in the expanded form, it is x square minus 4 plus 4 upon x square. Because here in this case, x and x cuts, minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 and x into x, x square. So x square minus 4 plus 4x square. The next one is ax plus by square. Ax square plus 2ax into by plus by square. Ax square, that is a square x square plus 2ab xy plus b square and y square. Now we will solve the sixth sum, that is 7m minus 4 square. We will use this formula because it's a minus 1. So a minus b the whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 7m square minus 2, 7m into 4 plus 4 square, that is 7m into 7m, that comes up to 49m square. 7m into 4, that is 28m into 2, that is minus 56m plus 16. The next one, 7th sum, that is x plus 1 upon 2 the whole square. X square plus 2 into x into 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 the whole square. X square, here 2 get cuts, x into 1, that comes up to x plus 1 into 1 and 2 into 2, that's 4. So x square plus x plus 1 upon 4. The eighth sum, a minus 1 upon the a square whole square. So a square minus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a square. So a square minus 2, here the a to a cuts, minus 2 into 1, that comes up to minus 2, and plus 1 into 1, that's 1, a into a, that's a square. A square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square.